ওই ঘরে আইসি সহ 5-6 জন পুলিশ ছিল। সেই ঘরে আমার পায়ের ওপরে বুট দিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকে এবং পায়ের তলায় বেত মারতে থাকে, চুলের মুঠি ধরে ঝুলিয়ে শূন্যে ঝুলিয়ে রাখে। It's a story going on, essay. Now kindly see whether any of these things are in the medical report or not. মাটিতে পা দিতে দেয়নি, আইসি নিজের হাঁটু দিয়ে আমার সাথী বর্ণালীকে চোয়ালে পুঁত দিয়ে লাথি মারে, ঠোঁট ফেটে যায়।
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes. See down to page 46. I placed it before my lord. First is, please take the third line of page 46. বিদ্যাসাগর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের সামনে আকস্মিকভাবে আমাদের উপরে চড়াও হয় এবং গাড়িতে তোলে এবং গাড়িতে ক্রমাগত আমাদের দিয়ে লাথি মারতে থাকে। Please pause here for a moment. I accept everything to be correct for the time being. Therefore, if there was any injury, it was Milord in the police van, or when Milord they were pulled and Milord taken inside the police van. It is his letter. May I read further? ওই সময় আমাদের সাথী ফ্রেন্ডস এর ঘাড়ে সজনে আঘাত করে পরে ফলে সে সন্ধানহীন হয়ে পড়ে। বহু চিৎকার করে জল চাওয়া সত্ত্বেও আমাদের জিনিসে গাড়ি ঢোকার সময় বহু জিনিসপত্র আমাদের গায়ে হাত দেয় এবং এক্সেট্রা জামা কাপড় ছেড়ে দেয়। Therefore, Milord, going by their case, right or wrong, they say that they were, I would say, assaulted, and that was done when they were being taken to the, put inside the prison. Then kindly take the next paragraph. বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের গেট থেকে থানায় পৌঁছানোর পর আমাদের গাড়ি থেকে নামিয়ে লাঠি মারতে মারতে চুলের মুঠি ধরে ঝালে চর মারতে মারতে থানার মধ্যে নিয়ে যায় এবং আইসি বলতে থাকে এখানে ফুটে। Then kindly take please give me one paragraph, please take the fourth paragraph. আমাদের চারজনকে আইসি রুমের সামনে, you are more interested in the live stream. Everybody knows that. Yes, tomorrow the clips will be in the social media. Why do you require a live stream? You require a live streaming. I don't require. I don't require. Yes, I don't require. Reading it. If the honorable court wants me, I will read it. What is here?
You go. You read in your convenient manner, sir.
আমাদের চারজনকে আইসি রুমের সামনে নিয়ে সরু গলির মতো জায়গা দিয়ে নিয়ে গিয়ে একটি পরিত্যক্ত রুমে নিয়ে যাওয়া হয়। ওই ঘরে চারজনকে ধাক্কা মেরে মেঝেতে ফেলে দেওয়া হয়। তারপর চলতে থাকে অকল্পনীয় অত্যাচার। আমার তলপেটে লাথি এক্সেট্রা বুট দিয়ে কিলচর ঘুষি মারে। আইসি নিজের বেল্ট খুলে পায়ের তলায় মারতে থাকেন, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে অশ্রাব্য গালিগালাজ। তো বেল্ট ইউ গেট হিয়ার, ইউ অলসো গেট ঘাড়ে আঘাত করে। কাইন্ডলি টেক দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান। প্রায় 20-25 মিনিট ধরে আমাকে মারার পর আমাকে ঘরে রেখে বাকিদের লকআপে নিয়ে যাওয়া। ওই ঘরে আইসি সহ 5-6 জন পুলিশ ছিল। সেই ঘরে আমার পায়ের ওপরে বুট দিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকে এবং পায়ের তলায় বেত মারতে থাকে, চুলের মুঠি ধরে ঝুলিয়ে শূন্যে ঝুলিয়ে রাখে। It's a story going on, essay. Now kindly see whether any of these things are in the medical report or not. মাটিতে পা দিতে দেয়নি, আইসি নিজের হাঁটু দিয়ে আমার সাথী বর্ণালীকে চোয়ালে পুঁত দিয়ে লাথি মারে, ঠোঁট ফেটে যায়। তখন সে রক্তাক্ত অবস্থায় মাটিতে পড়ে যায়, সেই সময় এক্সেট্রা। দেন আরো বিভৎসতা প্রকাশ পায় যখন আইসি সাথী বারিক আমাকে আমার ঠিকানা লিখতে বলে। তখন লেখার সময় আমার হাতের গাঁটে বেত মারা হয়, হাতে পায়ে জ্বলন্ত মোম ঢালা হয়। কষ্টে যন্ত্রণায় চিৎকার করলে ওরা আরো মারতে থাকে, আর আইসি সাথী বারিক ও এসআই হেসে বলতে থাকে এক্সেট্রা। আমার পিঠে বেতের লাঠি মেরেছে, পায়ের তলায় লাঠি মেরেছে, মারের চোটে পা ফুলে গেছে, বর্ণালী নায়ক মুখ ফাটিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, নায়কের মুখ ফাটিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। ওই সময় আইসি সাথী বাগিক এবং তার বাকি লোকেরা বলতে থাকে আমাদের বিরুদ্ধে কেস করলে মেরে ফাটিয়ে দেবো এক্সেট্রা। দেন SC/ST Millard allegation comes in the next paragraph. Then Millard after SC/ST আমরা থানায় মধ্যে ঢুকি সকাল 10:30টায়। দুপুর 2টো পর্যন্ত আমাদের বাথরুমে যেতে চাইলেও যেতে দেওয়া হয়নি। বলেছে আমরা চাকর নাকি বললেই ব্যবস্থা করব। খাওয়ার জলের ব্যবস্থা করেনি। জল খেতে চাইলে পরিত্যক্ত বোতলে জল দেয় যেখান থেকে পচা গন্ধ বেরোচ্ছিল এবং জলে পোকা ভাসছিল, যা খাওয়ার অযোগ্য। এরপর বিকেল 5টা নাগাদ আমাদের দেহে আঘাতের চিহ্ন লোপাটের জন্য জোরপূর্বক স্নান করিয়ে দেওয়া হয়। পেটের বাড়ি will be removed by bathing. One injury will be removed by bathing. Is it possible? Is the court inspired to believe this? And let me share, my lord, a personal experience of mine. I used to get killed by my father. And in the middle of the night, my father used to put Borolin on those marks. That cannot go away by me.
That what happens is that blood and all those things are removed.
Yes. No.
That has to be washed.
Milord, blood cannot go away like that. Blood cannot go away like that. You cannot remove blood like that by pouring water, by splashing water. Milord, blood stains do not move.
Anyway, there's different perception.
I demonstrate how preposterous it is. I'll demonstrate. Kindly, may I finish? এরপর বিকেল 5টা নাগাদ আমাদের দেহে আঘাতের এক্সেট্রা জোরপূর্বক চান করে দেওয়া হচ্ছে। লকআপের ঘরটি এতটাই অপরিষ্কার যা ব্যবহারে অযোগ্য ছিল। পরিষ্কার করার কথা বলে আমাদের গায়ে ঝাঁটা ছুঁড়ে দেওয়া হয় এবং বলা হয় নিজেরা ঝাড়তে কেউ পরিষ্কার করে দেবে। অনবরত মারের চোটে শরীর অবশ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু কোন রকম ডাক্তারি পরীক্ষার ব্যবস্থা করা হয়নি। আমরা এই অবস্থায় শুয়ে পড়েছিলাম মেঝে থেকে বারবার চুলে নিয়ে অহেতুক প্রশ্ন করতে থাকে। এই অবস্থায় রাত 2টোর দিকে আমাদের ছাড়া। সেই দিন অর্থাৎ 4 মার্চ আমি এবং আমার সাথীরা এক্সেট্রা মেদিনীপুর মেডিকেল কলেজে চিকিৎসা করাতে গেলে মেডিকেল সার্টিফিকেট দিতে অস্বীকার করা হয়। উপরোক্ত বিভৎস ঘটনাগুলি যা আমাদের সাথে এক্সেট্রা। These are, Millard, the so-called Millard torture which has been meted out. Now, Millard, kindly see, Millard, the medical reports. But I hanged somebody with the hair. Is there any complaint? Let us look into that. Millard, today, Millard, many things have been said. Please look at the contemporary, because the contemporaneous document speaks for itself. Millard, your lordship is asking me to produce the CCTV cameras footings. Why? Because your lordship is searching for the contemporaneous evidence to ascertain whether at all there was any torture or not.
Any may not be this way. Any.
Yeah,
Any. We are not saying that this is to be there exactly.
Exactly. Therefore, my lord, the concern of the court is to find out what has happened contemporaneously, or to get evidence which are contemporaneous in nature. One is from the side of the administration. Your lordship is of the prima facie view that the CCTV footages may throw light on what the petitioners are alleging. That's why your lordship has pointed out that. Similarly, to satisfy that the petitioners have made out a case for belief or entertaining by the court, but the contemporaneous evidence that is being produced by them is also to be looked into. Now see what is the contemporaneous.
As an advocate, how much police has the authority to get control over the body of the person concerned?
If it is correct, then my lord, I have no answer. Question is whether that is correct or not. My endeavor is to demonstrate that what has been said is far from truth. Why? Look into their evidence. Chuler muti dhore jhuliye rekhechilo, burn injury, XYZ. How look into this? What is page 34? When is this? 4th of March 2025.
Just tell me over this over in this case is also you are conducting an inquiry.
I don't think so. I'll still take instruction, but I don't think so.
You said earlier that the SP gave a direction for parallelly চলছে আমি জানি.
My immediate instruction is there is an inquiry, but still I'll verify and come back. Now please take me to page number 34. Left hand side column heading is clinical notes. What is clinical note?
Which page, sir?
That page number 34.
34.
So please take me to the visit date in the middle pillar at the top. 4/3/2025 at 1:32 p.m. Pilot has found that. Now please take me to the left hand side. There is a heading clinical notes. What is the clinical note? Where the clinical note is the complaint that we go and make to the doctor. Here, what is said? Physical assault, AHOPA, then CO pain,
Physical assault.
right side of something, right
Forum.
right shoulder and right ankle. No burn complaints.
No, burn was by this Sushita Soren or somebody else.
এই বানটা কাটছিল দেখো।
The number of ladies over here.
না না বর্ণালী না, ওই তনুশ্রী না। হ্যাঁ তনুশ্রী। আচ্ছা প্লিজ টেক তনু। Look at page 35. Look at all. But somebody was hanged with a hair. Thanushree is same physical assault. Something
Throttling.
etc.
Para 22,
No.
সুচরিত allegation.
Bufen, some pan for. These are at Midnapur. Then please take page 37. Physical assault in right foot and neck. Bufen, etc. Very good. Yes. Then page 39. Again, physical assault, pain on the left hand. The Lordship finds that an X-ray, my lord, has been advised. Page 39. Now please take the X-ray report. X-ray report ta kothay chilo jano? At page 44. না না যাকে এক্সরে করতে বলছে Bornali was advised to have an X-ray. At page 39, please look into page 44, the X-ray report. Murder is found at page 44. X-ray report is no bony injury seen. Adjacent top soft tissue shadow appears normal. Now these are not all at Midnapur Medical College. They have many things to attribute against the Midnapur Medical. Now please take Millard, the Calcutta Medical College, which starts from page 41. But this is on 5th of March 2025 at 6:52 p.m. But I'm not attributing anything about the time factors. On the left hand side, the column heading is complaint. Alleged physical assault, heavy blunt injury over left elbow, region, left something, left shoulder, again something, back, then hip region, right hip region. Date of incident 3/3/2025. MOI is alleged physical assault, thick belt border and sticks. Place of incident comes for the first time, Patnagar Women Police Station. Kindly see the right hand side, middle Millard investigations. The right hand side is ibuprofen, etc., etc., etc. Now, where are these X-ray reports? My learned friends have not produced. What does this X-ray report says? We do not know. The advice is the same: Brufen and Pan 40. Please take me to page number 42. Alleged physical assault, blunt injury, right angle region, left something, back, so and so region, something. Again, in the middle, all X-rays have been advised, and on the right hand side is the same advice. Kindly take page number 43. Alleged physical assault, heavy blunt injury over back, etc. region, date of incident, MOI, POI. Again, X-rays, ibuprofen, Pan 40, please attend. Now, these are the medical reports. If somebody was hanged by your hair, there is no complaint that there is any injury or pain. At least there will be pain on the head. Nothing of that sort. Complaint where they have the liberty to make any complaint what they have. The doctor has no obligation to verify it. They don't complain of any burn injury. At two places. And what is most important, Milord, your Lordship will please take judicial notice, is that at 2 a.m. in the morning, they were left with all injuries as has been complained. And when do they go all together? This is a very important thing. Everybody going together on the next day at 1:32 p.m. 2 a.m. in the morning, they were left. The hospital, they could have gone directly to.
Next morning, they claim you have called them. They claim in the petition itself.
They went to the police station, they could have gone to the hospital from there.
No, you are denying that or you are accepting that? Next day, they went to the police station again?
No, Jai.
No.
So, my lord, 4 of them would have take at least almost 12 hours after release, 11 and a half hours after release, all together to go to hospital. They could not make out, fetch evidence. Therefore, the next day, again, 4 together comes to the Calcutta Medical College. Kindly see the time. In the evening, 6:52.
6:52.
I'm prompted to say that, my lord, briefing the media was more important. That's why before going to the hospital, they went to.
And that is not an offense.
No,
That is not an offense.
no, I'm not saying that it is an offense. I'm saying that what gets priority.
We have also covered that.
What gets priority for whom is very important.
Media. Media covered, but you is not covered.
Yeah.
So therefore, my lord, please first consider whether, my lord, in the backdrop of the allegation, my lord, whether, my lord, the evidence produced inspire confidence in the court that what is alleged has happened, my lord, with or without CCTV cover. Because the petitioners, my lord, have to first cross the threshold. If they do not cross the threshold, my lord, any further inquiry by the court, in my very respectful submission, should not be made. And my lord, if these kinds of allegations are that without, my lord, at least, my lord, support, I won't say supportive evidence, but any evidence which where inspires confidence, if it is not there, well, it is very detrimental to the society. Anybody will be taken to the police station. If it is not fully covered by CCTV footage, will come out and make allegations against the police, and police will keep on defending itself in each and every case. My lord, I'm told, my lord, that the letter which I have read was also addressed to the SP, and the SP has also already, my lord, initiated an inquiry. Again, Inquiry is on at the DSP administration is carrying on the.
Where is that inquiry? The inquiry is nothing, sir.
Saying about which is on that day, SP my lord gave a media briefing containing all the guards. What do we expect from him?
We cannot expect
We have no my lord reliance upon him.
We cannot have reliance because if
SP will
if
go
you
to
rely,
media, we
you use
cannot
another
go
forum.
to media.
If you rely the police, you
And
use
when
another
the
forum. You do not have any forum
media
to
briefing,
use.
media
We
briefing.
have only one
Mr.
forum.
Always, let's come to the matter. Mr.
Therefore, my lord, please consider one thing. I'll bring Bharat Singh tomorrow. And it is still followed. Till 2019 also I have cases which say that if the evidence does not support the pleading in a writ proceeding or a 19th proceeding, well, possibly, my lord, the court will not look into anything. But I forget the exact expression of the Supreme Court, throwaway or something like that. Whichever. If my counter affidavit, as they call, does not have the evidence, the Lordship will not look into it. If their writ petition does not have any evidence, your Lordship will not look into the writ petition.
Always.
Then says that there is no complaint. But I can understand, my lord, over there they have complained, they could not substantiate. I can understand that.
I do not want to repeat those same words, my lord. But one thing I have to give reply. My learned senior friend is saying, what document, what evidence do we have? Well, this was the duty of the police to collect the evidence. This was not the duty of those guards to carry evidence with them. The duty of the
Well, with respect, my lord, that is not the law. That is not the law. I will collect evidence for the petitioner. This is suggested.
Tomorrow you will continue.